All right, let's take a look at this caulk gun here. Very nice design. It is more basic than some of the other models, but very, very reasonably priced. You can pick up a bunch of these and then you don't have to worry about it if you want to just throw them away after they get all full of stuff. Definitely has a cutter on it, the puncturer on the bottom, nice plunger, decent spring. We've used this on a couple of different projects. We'll put this off. Puncture it up. It's really, really good. Get it on Amazon here today.